Umuthi Atwarithia bodaboda nimatabanirie mururungano wao wa thayu mwena wa Dandora kaunti-ini ya Nairobi magikomithia ciiko cia kunyarirwo na kwagagio ni maabitha aborithi mungururio-ini uria urathie na mbere guothe bururi-ini. Mokireire thirikari na kiria maugite mawatho maria maragathikirwo ni makumahinyiriria na gwathi uguo aingi ao mahota gwikora meigiranite na wikinai guku amwe aria marikite cioho ciao njera-ini na kwambiriria wira uyu makiuga marekwo marute wira kuona ni marikitie kurungiriria mitugo yao.
Kuna mtu wako hapa hivi anafanya kazi ya bodaboda na ni pasta. Huyo mtu anaibiaga mtu. Kuna mtu wako hapa hivi ameacha kuiba, ametoka jela. Amekuja ameona hii ndio tunaweza sustain hapa hivi kwa ile afya kawaida kutoka jela. Then sasa umemnyima kazi leo kesho.
So waache hao watu wafanye kazi. Waache tu watu wafanye kazi cause ni legit na ni watu documents zao ziko kwa station.
Ihinda-ini riu kiama kia ene nduthi cia andu kiumbe ni maugite thigithigi ino yahota kurehe njukaniriro nene gatagati kao na atwarithia bodaboda kuonao matiragagio riri mari barabara-ini.
There is a blanket rule of riders being taken together. Criminals and non-criminals have been clustered. Whether you have done something wrong or not, everyone is being arrested and treated in the same way. And therefore, you have not even most of us are private bikers. We have compliant documents, and there is no a questioning of whether you are compliant or not. It's a blanket rule. So I would say it's very oppressive, and the way it's being done, it's not the best because you have no room for justice.
Maya mahanikitio riri minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Dagitari Fred Matiang'i ateteire ikinya ria thirikari ria kuheo ihinda ria thiku 60 gukorwo meyandikithitie weru na makaheo kandi cia license cia kiriu wiyandikithio rio kambiriria tariki 21 mweri uyu.
Which government is going to terrorize or do away with a sector that employs 2.4 million of its people? The amount of money that moves in the bodaboda sector is incredible. I've given you an example. 22 million rides a day. Multiply that by a basic cost of one ride. That's 50 shillings. That's how much money is moving around.
Matiang'i ni okiriire gicunji kia ateti aria makoretwo makiingiria uteti igeria-ini ria kurehe mogaruruku ruhonge-ini ruru guku akiuga atwarithia ya mongererekete kuma 300,000 mwaka-ini wa 2013 nginyanagia milioni 2.4 umuthi uyu.
When a sector grows like that, it also comes with challenges, as it were. It's infiltrated by criminals, people who don't think right. The sector grew faster than the regulatory frameworks. So you have no established schools, you have no established certification system, you have no established way of processing these people.
Kugina kuo kuma mwena wa mukuruini kaunti-ini ya Nyeri atwarithia bodaboda ni magunikite na license cia kiriu kuma kuri mubunge wa mukuruini Anthony Kiai thutha wa gutiriha kothi ya wigiririki barabara-ini guku akiuria thirikari kwaga kuregeria moko mayo hari gutacukiri ikinya aria matabanirie giko kia urathoni kuri muiritu umwe barabara-ini ya Wangari Maathai kiumia-ini giki.
Thirikari ni arekereirie bodaboda cikorwo ciina mitugo miuru na gwituika ati bodaboda hindi ciothe moneka tare andu oru no ti andu oru ona hanini ni andu anini tu gatagati kao makoragwo makihuthira ritwa ria bodaboda gwika maundu macio